So today we formalize the partnership between the DepEd and the different provinces around the country. And it is an effort to make sure that every Filipino student has a safe and decent classroom to learn in. I have seen many of the struggles that our students, our teachers, and our parents face when having to send their children to school. They are studying and dreaming of a better future in poorly built facilities, cramped spaces, and sometimes no facilities at all. As of December of last year, we have a classroom shortage that amounts to a stunning 145,000 units. How we have allowed this to become such a bad situation, I cannot understand. Dahil sa kakulangan ng silid-aralan, gumagawa tayo ng ilang shift na pasok para sa mga estudyante. Kaya yung iba madaling araw nang papasok at yung iba naman gabing-gabi na. At saka pa lang lalabas sa eskwela. Nandyan na rin ay mga mag-aaral na nagkaklase sa mga basketball court o kuminsan sa ilalim lang ng puno. And this is the gap that we must address urgently. It is the reason why this administration has been finding all kinds of alternative ways that we can immediately close this yawning gap. Because we cannot wait another 5 or 10 years to ensure that every student has a comfortable classroom. So we have initiated this partnership with the local government units. That is one of our strategies. We are changing the system because the process that we have now is much too slow. With this initiative, we can take a big bite out of that gap. And under this partnership, the DepEd will set technical standards, provide designs, and supply the funding for these classrooms. On the other hand, the LGUs will take the lead in their procurement and actual construction. E paano yan? Baka magka-problema ulit sa ghost project at saka sa substandard. Sabi ko, hindi uubra yan pagka sa LGU. Hindi uubra yan. Dahil ang tao mismo ang kaharap ninyo. Pagka hindi magandang gawin ninyong trabaho, sisitahin kayo. Araw-araw kayo, gabi-gabi kayo kakatukin sa bahay ninyo. Sasabihin, ayusin ninyo yung problema. Kaya't malakas ang loob ko na magiging maayos lahat ng ating gagawin. So, by giving the LGUs a greater role in the implementation, we streamline the process, we reduce delays, and move faster in building schools that our children need.